$15 an hour to do this all day. Screw that.
Not bad, but here's a side hustle you can do from the comfort of your own home. And it's absolutely free to start. First, go to Google and search Amazon Associates. Then you'll click on the first link here. Once you get to this screen, you'll sign up for free. Head over to Amazon and search any product that you'd like to promote. Choose a product and go to the product page. In the top left, you'll hit text, and then you'll be given your product-specific affiliate link. Now I'm going to show you guys how you can promote with 100% free traffic. You'll want to go to Pinterest and create a business account. Then head to Create and create a pin. Create a simple pin like this. You may have noticed that I use smoothies to promote this blender. That's because people are probably more likely to click on a weight loss smoothie pin than just a blender pin. You see what I'm trying to say? Then you'll just put your affiliate link here, or attach it to a website or something like that. Then all you do is publish. When someone clicks on your pin and goes through your affiliate link to buy whatever product you're promoting, you will earn commission. And if you want to learn digital marketing skills to make even more money with affiliate marketing, check the link in my bio to see how you can get started.